Hey everyone, looking for your IBAN number in the Lloyds Bank app? Let's take a quick look at how to find it. Just a few simple steps. First of all, open your Lloyds mobile banking app and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the Accounts tab to see your account list. Next, select the account for which you need the IBAN number. Now, scroll down and tap on Account Set Details. This will show you your current account number and sort code. To see your IBAN, simply tap on the View IBAN option located below your account details. Your full IBAN number will be displayed here, ready for you to copy and use wherever you need it. And that's it. You have easily found your IBAN number in the Lloyds app. Thanks for watching.